Understanding "What's up, Doc?" in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a popular and playful English phrase, "What's up, Doc?" This phrase is famous worldwide but can be confusing for English learners. Let's dive into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. "What's up, Doc?" is a phrase made famous by the iconic cartoon character, Bugs Bunny. It first appeared in the 1940 Warner Brothers cartoon, A Wild Hare. Bugs Bunny, a clever rabbit, uses this phrase as a casual greeting, often to surprise or confuse his adversaries. The phrase is made up of three parts. 1. What's up? This is a common English greeting similar to, "What's happening?" or "What's going on?" It's used to ask someone what they are doing or to inquire about their well-being. 2. Doc. This is a short form for doctor, but in this context, it's used informally and doesn't refer to a medical professional. It's akin to saying, buddy, or pal. 3. Combining the parts. When put together, "What's up, Doc?" is a playful way to greet someone, showing friendliness and a bit of humor. While the phrase originates from a cartoon, it has entered everyday language. Here are some key points about its usage. In formal contexts, it's primarily used in informal settings among friends or in casual conversations. Humorous tone. The phrase often implies a light-hearted or humorous approach. Cultural reference. Using this phrase can also show familiarity with American pop culture, specifically the Looney Tunes cartoons. For English learners, here are some tips. Context is key. Use this phrase in casual and friendly situations. Be playful. It's a playful phrase, so make sure your tone matches the fun nature of the expression. Understand the response. People might respond with a smile or a laugh, recognizing the reference to Bugs Bunny. That's all for today's lesson on "What's up, Doc?" We hope you found this video enjoyable and informative. This phrase is a great example of how language and culture intertwine, making English a fun and dynamic language to learn. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a bit of humor to your conversations.